We still have Friday and most of Saturday still look pretty good, right?
Yeah, Saturday's not looking too bad. We have low rain chances today and for your Saturday. More dry than wet, but Sunday is the day to watch as we are going to have the impact of those storms. Low 50s, northeast winds coming in at 10 miles per hour. We have the clouds rolling in today, so I expect the sunshine to come up over the horizon, making for a great morning, and then the clouds will build throughout the day. Some could provide some light showers, but shouldn't be a washout by any stretch. Now, I am watching as the low pressure system tracks east, swinging that cold front, first sparking those storms up through the Midwest, through Illinois into parts of Ohio, and then even further, we're looking at Louisiana into Mississippi, Alabama, over parts of Georgia, getting the brunt of those storms for your Saturday evening into Sunday morning. That will arrive on our doorstep west of I-77 early morning Sunday, pushing east mid to late mornings on your Sunday morning before tapering off towards the Outer Banks into Sunday afternoon. Breezy conditions, windy conditions, isolated storms packing a punch in the form of damaging winds, isolated tornadoes. Can't rule out large hail as well. You're pooling and ponding in the low-lying areas, a marginal risk for flash flooding, while we have the slight risk west of I-77 tomorrow, heading into your Sunday, I should say. That threat pushes further east, level 2 out of 5 for that severe risk here in the Queen City. Half an inch to 3/4 of an inch around uptown. Could see closer to 3/4 of an inch up towards an inch of rain when everything is said and done in our higher elevations. Temperature-wise, we start off this morning in the low 50s, about 10 to 12 degrees above how we typically start our mornings here in mid-March. But again, aiming towards those mid-70s, which also lands above normal as we usually hit the mid-60s. So clouds build. We'll have those warm temperatures through the afternoon, even into the evening, feeling nice and comfortable on this Friday. Limited to the 60s, mountain counties, low 70s, I-40 corridor east of uptown. Could even touch the upper 70s in parts of Chesterfield County. Overnight lows, a little cool, but not going to be terribly cold as we start our Saturday morning in the low to mid 50s, upper 40s, low 50s, Boone and Jefferson for the high elevations. This sets a strong foundation to work off of, helping us rebound into the 70s and upper 70s on Saturday. Clouds continue to build. We'll have those storm chances ramp up for Sunday morning with a pinpoint weather alert day to finish off the weekend. Sunny and dry for St. Patrick's Day on Monday. 70s and sunshine come back Tuesday with rain chances returning by Thursday of next week. You're watching Queen City News Now. The most local news in Charlotte is on the other side of this break.